We're gonna play Tanghulu Master. Sorry for not posting a lot of videos today in this week. Sorry. This is the first. Oh my. Oh, first lang. Okay. Look at me. Go to the mini mart. They have new foods. I will show you what I want to buy when I was playing Tanghulu Master. This is all what I want to buy. But I never. Of course, everyone loves marshmallow. Let's go. Look at it. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. Go. But expensive. Oh my god. Okay, it's not that expensive. Expensive. Okay. Let's go and let's turn our volume. Yum. Yum. Yum 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 yum. In your life, I could totally just eat all this lot. And the strawberry milk ko. I'm gonna be playing this for 10 minutes. Again. Thank you for 32 subs! Okay. Now what I was always wanting to buy is pink. What is this melon? Soda. I like pudding. And my most favorite is this. Go! Okay. Da-da-da-da.